Hi there, this is our JFMT lathe, really well designed lathe, very heavy duty, very heavy construction and nice wide bed, big spindle etc. It's got some good features on it. It's got the quick change tool post, the rapids to the carriage, 2-speed tailstock. The general condition is really tidy. It's got the travel stops there. I'll start with the carriage itself. So that's nice to move. It's got the wee lube system there. That cross slides nice and no play in it. And that compound slides nice to move and no play in that. The light there is working. Tailstock itself, that lock's working nicely. And that's on the fast speed, and there's your slow speed. And that lock's working nicely there as well. Feels good on the inside of that. So I'll show you the rapids. So that's coming rapiding towards me, rapiding that way, rapiding away from you, and rapiding towards you. So those are the rapids. I'll take that down this end. Okay, I'll start it up. I'll turn the coolant pump on. So there's the coolant pump running. It's got a wee jog there for the spindle etc. An e-stop and the foot brake there. Okay, I'll start it up. So I've just got that running in a reasonably low gear, feeds are running there. I'll switch that to the lead screw and engage that lead screw. So that's heading that way, and I'll change that direction, and now that's heading towards me. Right, I'll get that feed shaft running. One is that. There's the feed shaft running there. I'll change that direction for that. So I'll change those speeds there, there. Got that running reasonably fast there, so that's nice to change them. And I'll engage that feed there and start that carriage feeding that way. Now feeding back towards me. Feeding that cross slide across. And now feeding that back towards you. So there's the feeds there. I'll take you through the speed range. So that was 54, I'll go 25. 37. Oh no, I was faster than that, sorry. That's been 160, 77 and 112. I'll bump you straight into the high range. Oh no, that's correct. So next range will be there, there, and that'll be there. 77. 112. 160. So now I'll bump us into high range, and so that there should be 240. I'll work that emergency foot brake. So that's there. So that's 240. 350. It's got the star delta start up on it. 500. Rightio. Last range, so that's 720. Two more. 1050. Last one, which will be 1500. So there's the speed range. So like I say, it's a really nice design lathe. It's very heavy in its construction, nice wide bed. It's got those few good features with the tailstock, the quick change and the rapids, reasonably big bore, and it's all set to go.